your heels. Dasa, right foot between the palm. Ekadasa, left foot front. Dvadasa, bend back and come to Namaskar Mudra. Om Ravai Namaha. Take the hands up, pull up your lower back and navel, bend back from the lower back. Bicep closer to the ear. Stretch your lower back, take your abdomen in, bend forward. Very gently take your right leg back, very gently. Keep the stretch in your thighs, not only the knee. Open your chest. Take your left leg back and stay in plank. Weight shift on your spine, thighs. Sit down on your heels very gently without changing your palm position. Stretch your upper back. Tuck your toes, bring your chest between the palm, chin down, slightly knee touching, weight on your palm and toes. Chest head up, slightly knee up, open your chest, pull up your back completely, open your chest. Look at the navel region, heels down, chin to the chest, bring your head closer to the mat or chin on the mat. Shift your weight on your back. Bend the knees, sit down on your heels without changing your palm. Go back. Yes. Tuck your left toes, bring your right foot between the palm. Open your chest, stretch your thighs. Gently left foot front and then stretch your upper body downwards. Slowly stretching your hands and back front. Keep stretching, coming up, go back all the way, go back and come to Namaskar Mudra. Om Surya Namaha. We'll do with the correction. Take the hands up, bicep closer to the ear. Stretch your back, bend the lower back, bicep closer to the ear. Stretch your calf, thighs, open your chest. Smiling face. Then this is called Hasta Uttanasana. Stretch your hand and back front, start bending forward, stretching your back, lower, middle, upper back, suck your abdomen in, palm beside your feet, head back, stretching downwards. Padhastasana. Very gently without rubbing, take your right leg back and then stretch your thighs, both thighs, not only the knee. Open your chest. 15, 10 hand, 5 toes, fingers should be one line. Yes, tuck your right toes, take your left leg back without rubbing. Plank, not too up, not too down, weight on your back, spine. And then very gently bend the knees, sit down on your heels without changing your palm. You sit such a way, you feel the stretch on your upper and middle back. Don't change your palm and toes position. Very good. Sasankasana. Tuck your toes and bring your chest between the palm. chin down, chin, chest, knees should be touching, weight on your palm and toes, and then slowly chest head up after Sashtanga. Open your chest, shift your weight on your spine, complete stretch your spine, knee up. Don't put full weight on your hand, your weight should be shifted to your spine. Stretch up, shoulder down, and then slowly lift up your hip. Look at the navel region, heels down, knee straight. Bring your chin closer to the mat. Stretch your upper and middle back. Shift your weight on your back, hip, and then bend your knee. Sit down on your heels without changing your palm, very gently. Stretch your toes. Shankasana. Yes, very good. Now, without rubbing your foot, very gently with the toe, left toe support, bring your right foot between the palm, right foot between your palm, and stretch your both thighs, and then bring your left leg without rubbing between the palm together. Stretch completely downwards your spine, and stretching your hand back front, start coming up very gently, stretching your back completely, all the way go back, and then come back to Namaskar Mudra. Perfect, very good. Om Bhanave Namaha. Now we do with the breathing. Inhale, bend back. Exhale, bend forward. Inhale, right leg back. Exhale, left leg back. Inhale and exhale, sit down on your heels. Inhale and exhale, chest, chin, knee down, weight on your toes and palm. Inhale, chest, head up, knee up, stretch your back. Exhale, look at the navel region, heels down, knees straight. Inhale and exhale, sit down on your heels. Inhale, right foot between the palm. Exhale, left foot front. Inhale all the way backward and exhale, come to Namaskar Mudra. Om Khagaya Namaha. Again with the breathing. Inhale, it is called Purak. Exhale, it's called Rechak. Inhale, it's called Purak. Exhale, it's called Rechak. Inhale and exhale, it's called Purak and Rechak. Holding is called Kumbhak. Inhale is called Purak. Exhale, it's called Rechak. Inhale and exhale is called Purak and Rechak. Inhale, it's called Purak. Exhale, it's called Rechak. Inhale and exhale, it's called Purak and Rechak. Om Pushne Namaha, with the name Hast Uttanasana. Adhastasana. Ashwa Sanchalanasana. Tulasana. Shashankasana. Sashtang Namaskarasana. Bhujangasana. Parvatasana. Shashankasana. Ashwasanchalanasana. Padhastasana. Namaskarasana. Om Hirangarbhaya Namaha. Count and with the breathing. 1 inhale, 2 exhale, 3 inhale, 4 exhale, 5 inhale and exhale, 6 hold, 7 inhale, 8 exhale, 9 inhale and exhale, 12 inhale, 13 exhale, 10, 12, go back,